Hey YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. It's that Van Guy again with another weekly video. It's time for another Free It Friday feature. And today we're going to be checking out Japanese convention dairy delivery. I have a huge dairy delivery collection, but there's some expensive convention pieces that I don't have. This was one of them. I did happen to find it on eBay a little bit more reasonable than normal. So I splurged and bought it to add to my collection, and we are going to be opening it up and checking it out in today's video, up close and personal on the turntable. But first we'll check out the card art. Pretty interesting card art because it's got a lot of Japanese writing on it and stuff. This is from 2005. It is a numbered piece, as you can hopefully see. It's number 743 of 2000. 743 of 2000. It's the official Hot Wheels Custom Car Show. It was held in Osaka, Japan, May 29, 2005. I'll try to hold the card art still so you can read that if you'd like. Just pause the video here if you'd like to read that. Pretty cool piece. One that's been on the wanted list for a while. So I'll grab the turntable and we'll bust the sucker open. Alright. Let's crack this thing open. Got some really cool graphics on this one. Looks like it's got real riders. Raw metal base. It's got some treaded tires. Red line wheels. Let's check out this baby. First I'll give you a shot of the artwork on top too. Pretty cool skull and tribal artwork on top. Very cool piece. A lot of red trim with a red tinted windshield. And the red trim on the wheels. It's got the convention logo on the back doors there. That really, that red windshield really stands out. Really looks cool with that red windshield and the red trim. Really cool Japanese convention piece dairy delivery. Glad to be able to add that to the collection. I have probably almost 100 of these now, these dairy deliveries. So I'll have to make a video on my dairy delivery collection once I get it a little bit more complete. I have maybe 4 or 5 more on the wanted list, so maybe watch for that in the near future. But just another cool convention piece dairy delivery. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Also check out my Facebook page, That Van Guy. And you can check me out on Instagram. I'm that_diecast_van_guy. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Have a great day.